Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, like too long, since I filmed my last video. We are back, I'm filming another video, and basically A-levels have managed to get in the way a little bit, so I haven't really had time to sit down and film. I've actually had quite a few videos pre-filmed, but I just haven't had the chance to upload them because I haven't had the time to edit them. Anyway, here we are now. I thought I'd film whilst I was planning basically these next 2 weeks. It is now Easter. Thank God. I'm kind of scared by the fact it's Easter because obviously it's like so close to exams now. Easter's the time when you can basically sort your life out. You have the opportunity to catch up on everything that you hadn't done. So I'm basically going to talk to you about how I planned all the work that I'm going to do. Now obviously everyone's different, but personally for me, I literally can't sit there and be like, Monday I'm doing this, Tuesday I'm doing this, all the way up to the next 2 weeks, because just no. So I've got a lot of things that I want to get done. The majority of them are revision, some of them are homework. So basically I started out by writing a really long to-do list. I don't expect myself to get all this done. Of course I would love it if I did. I'm going to aim to get all of it done. But the reality is I probably won't. There is a lot of stuff on here and a lot of it is quite time consuming. So I don't expect to get it all done. However, I'm going to give it a good try. So I started out by doing that. I just split it into the 2 subjects that I do and basically wrote down everything that I need to get done, whether that be homework or it's revision or it's catching up on stuff or whatever it is. I just wrote it all down to be like, this is what I need to get done kind of thing. Then that meant I could go on to making like a little kind of calendar thing for this next week and the week after. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't really know what I'm doing, as in I do want to go out with friends and that. Obviously I'm not gonna go out loads, which is a bit annoying. I do still want to be able to go out with friends, and a lot of us make plans really last minute. So I know like I've got a few things going on, but I don't really know most of it. So this is just like a provisional kind of thing, as in this can change, and I haven't actually printed it out. I've left it on my laptop so I can literally go back and change it if I need to. So what I've just done for now is kind of just what I think I'll be able to do. Some days it might change though, and that is totally fine. Like I literally, my aim is just to do as much work as I possibly can. I started out by doing that, so I done all the days and like all the times down the side, and then I done a little colour code bit. So I've got school on there, which I'm going to explain that I will be going into school over Easter. We've got the opportunity to go in between 9 and 1 every day. So I will be going in. Hopefully that is my aim, is to go in, because I work so much better when I'm in an environment that's silent and where everyone else is doing work. So we have the opportunity to go in, so that is why I'm still going into school. I know you'd think I'm insane. I'm not. I'm just failing my A-levels. I will be going into school, but it is half term, so like no one's going to be there. So I've put the days in that I'm doing that. I've got 2-3 interviews for apprenticeships. So I've also put them in, and I've put like a purple bit before and after, which is like the time it's going to take me to like get there, get ready, etc. So I'm not like stressing myself out. I've got like enough time in the day. On those days I'm going to get home, I'm going to be so tired. So I've not put in like loads of work after that or anything, because I'm just being realistic. I know I won't do it. I'll be too tired. Like I'll need to have a bit of a break. I've also got bits for obviously revision. I've got bits for going out with friends. I said about the little travel bit, like getting to and from my interviews, and I also got another bit which is for reading, because I need to read numerous books. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna get all of it done before my exams. I know I won't, but I literally need to start reading. I've done it an hour a night. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not gonna be doing an hour a night. It'll probably be more like half an hour. It's just the way I've done the timetable. It's in like hour slots, so it was just easier to leave it like that. But yeah, I need to do like at least half an hour of reading a night. So I've put that in to make sure I get that done every night. But yeah, the rest of it is just blocks of orange, which is revision. So depending on how you work, you could fill this out, so it'd be like you'd do English revision, then maths revision, then history revision, then whatever, like each day. So you do a set amount of hours of each subject each day, but that really doesn't work for me. If I was to sit there and be like, Monday I'm going to do a past paper here, and then I'm going to do this and this, like I just won't stick to it, and it will just stress me out even more. So I prefer to just be like, you're going to do work in this time. And then that brings me on to my next point, which is day by day I will plan what I'm going to do. So I'm not going to sit here and plan out the whole week. Like now it's only Saturday, it's got 2 more weeks. I'm not going to like sit here and plan out every day now. What I just do is every night I make sure I've got a plan for the next day, because if I do not have a plan, let me tell you, I won't be doing much work. I don't go to sleep knowing what I've got to do the next day. I wake up, I sleep in way too late, and then I just don't get half the work done that I should be getting done. So I always make sure every night that I know what work I'm going to be doing the next day. I always try and plan it so that the work that's like more important is in homework, like stuff that needs to get done. I'll do that at the start of the Easter holiday so it's over and done with. And I also, within every day, if there's certain things which take a long time, like maths past papers, they require a great deal of concentration. So I'll always do them in the start of the day because it means I get it over and done with, and it won't get to like 7, 8 o'clock and I'm like half falling asleep trying to do a maths paper. I can then do like some English revision or like make cue cards or something which is like a more chilled out thing so that I don't have to sit there and concentrate loads. I'll do that every night so that then I know what I'm doing for the next day, so that I have no excuses and I have to get work done. I'm going to try and somehow put my templates for these in the description box. I'm going to try and make like a Google Drive document or something. I really don't know how you do it, so if it's not in the description box, that's why. But I'm going to try and do it so that you can use the same templates if you want to, if you feel like that's going to help. If not, I'm sure there's like loads for other templates that you can get online, or you just make one yourself, whatever suits you. But yeah, that is my plan for Easter. I am putting this online and I like need to make sure I stick to this so that I know that all you guys have seen this, and then I won't be able to get out of doing this work because I know everyone is expecting me to do it. So yeah, like I said, I want it to be a productive Easter. Cross your fingers for me that I get some type of motivation because I just love my bed too much, I'm not gonna lie to you. I just want to get to the end of the 2 weeks knowing that I've worked really hard, you know? So I'm counting on myself. I better do it, I swear to God. Anyway, I've got to go because Lauren is about to come pick me up. She's got to be here like any minute. And I've heard Fee's just put the hairdryer on, so now's probably a good time to end this video. This is just what I'm doing for my Easter revision. Might not work for everyone. I've watched a lot of these videos before and everyone can just like plan out their whole week to a T and knows what they're doing, what subject they're doing each day and what piece of work they're doing. I'm just not like that. Like, I can't do that. I know I won't stick to it. It will stress me out way too much. With this timetable that I've made, it's okay for everything to like move around and depending on what comes up, like that's just how I work, because otherwise it stresses me out way too much because I'll be thinking, oh my God, like I haven't done anything. So yeah, this is just what works for me. Hopefully it works for you too and it gives you another idea, and that it's okay to not plan out your revision minute by minute, because I know so many study YouTubers and that's what they do. And I am one of those, so hope you find this somewhat useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have got another video going up in not too long, so you know you've got 2. But yeah, sorry if I'm a bit, you know, not on YouTube over the exam, like, period. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you again in my next one. Bye!